This is the Lumin Moisturizing Balm, and it's one of the main Lumin products that I've been using for more than 2 years now. Because the first time when I was introduced to Lumin, I checked the products out, went over the brand identity and tried the products out for the first time. I then followed up by making a 60-day transformation video that absolutely blew up, where I showed my Lumin results after using the products for more than 60 days. I then continued to use the products for another 120 days and made a 180-day transformation video. And that's not even everything. I've compared the Lumin brand with a lot of other skincare brands out there, and thus if you are someone that's looking for a Lumin review, this is the perfect video for you. Because in this video I will go over my Lumin experience after using the brand for more than 2 years, and there's also a little giveaway in this video, and I will provide more details on it later. And thus, with that said, let's get started. So Lumin provides a lot of premium products, but in this video I want to go over the main 4 products: the Lumin Charcoal Cleanser, Lumin Exfoliating Rub, Lumin Moisturizing Balm, and the Lumin Dark Circle Defense. So the Lumin Charcoal Cleanser is a product to get rid of all of the dirt on your face. And the way that you use this product is that you apply a little bit of the product on your face. You use circular motions to get it all across your face. Add a little bit of water until it becomes foamy, and then you start to wash it off your face. It is a product that's very easy to apply on your face, and my opinion after using this product for more than 2 years is that when it comes to the charcoal cleanser, it is a product that really cleans your face but doesn't dry it too much. And when it comes to this product, it is perfectly fine for most guys out there. The average guy that's just starting to take care of their skin will absolutely love the product. And in terms of the sensitivity of the product on your skin, for most of us, it is fine. Unless you are this extreme minority that's super sensitive skin. In that instance, it might be a bit too harsh for you. But other than that, for most of us, it works really well. The Exfoliating Rub is a product that gets rid of dead skin cells by giving your face a deep clean. And the way you use the Exfoliating Rub is that you apply a little bit of the product on your face and put a little bit of pressure on your face while using circular motions. And what you'll start to see is that it's getting rid of all of the dead skin cells on your face. And after using the Exfoliating Rub for more than 2 years, I don't necessarily need this product as frequently as I used to before, but if you are someone that's just starting to take care of your skin, the Exfoliating Rub by Lumin can be a very good product. If you are someone that's looking to give your face a deep clean, and if you are someone that generally wants to take care of your skin. So the Exfoliating Rub is a product that gives your skin a deep clean, and it is perfect for those individuals that really want to target their skin more deeply, because when it comes to the Exfoliating Rub, it has beads in them that really target all of the oil buildup and dirt on the deeper level of your skin. And moving on to the next product, this is the Moisturizing Balm. And when it comes to the Moisturizing Balm, this is a product that hydrates your face, gives you that glow, and makes sure that your face is moisturized. And when it comes to the Moisturizing Balm, I've already mentioned this several times, but when it comes to this Moisturizing Balm, it is my favorite one in the market, because I've tried so many moisturizing balms over the 2 years from a lot of different brands. And when it comes to the Moisturizing Balm by Lumin, it is super lightweight, it hydrates my face, and it gives me that perfect shine. And thus, when it comes to the Moisturizing Balm by Lumin, it is my all-time favorite. And there's almost nothing else to say when it comes to this Moisturizing Balm. It's just the feeling that you get, the sensation on your face after you apply the Moisturizing Balm. It instantly hydrates your face. It gets moisturized and your face easily looks a lot better. Moving on to the next product, the Dark Circle Defense. And this is a product that you apply under your eyes to get rid of puffiness and dark eye circles. And when it comes to the scent of this product, it is absolutely amazing. It has such a sweet texture to it. But besides the scent, how useful is this product? Because a lot of times, a lot of people struggle to get rid of puffiness and dark eye circles. So how does the Lumin Dark Circle Defense work? Well, when it comes to this product, it is very easy. Before going to bed, you slightly dab a little bit of the product under your eyes. And initially, when it comes to this product, I was quite critical, because some days it felt like that this product was really doing its job, but on other days I felt like it wasn't doing anything at all. And initially that was quite frustrating, but over the course of the 2 years, I've started to understand how this product works. I've started to understand that generally speaking, when it comes to your under eyes, the dark circles, the puffiness in your eyes, it just fluctuates a lot. But when it comes to using a dark circle defense like the one from Lumin, over time you will start to see results. Because if you will plot a graph, one day it will be really good, then the next day will be less, but then the day after that it will be even more. And if you would draw a straight line, you'd see that over time you are starting to get results. Because for example, let's have a look at my skin when I initially got the Lumin products. You see that there's some scarring on my forehead, and when it comes to my eyes, you see that I've got puffy eye bags. And if you would compare that skin to now, you can definitely see that I have less of those scars on my forehead, and that's mainly due to exfoliating rub. And in terms of the eye bags, they're less significant, because one thing that I've noticed when it comes to the dark circle defense is that even on the days that it doesn't feel like it is working, it still leaves that spark under your eyes. Even though you might have a little bit of puffiness or you might have a little bit of dark eye circles, your eyes don't look tired and it seems like they're rejuvenated. And thus, when it comes to the dark circle defense, it is not a product that works instantly, but over time while using the products, you will start to see results. And now it's time for the giveaway, because I've partnered up with both Lumin and Meridian Grooming to give back to you guys. And this is a way for not only me, but also Lumin and Meridian Grooming to show our gratitude. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to check these products out for such a long period of time and allow me to make such in-depth review videos to help you guys in the best way possible. So how does it work? 2 to 3 people will each win a bundle containing Lumin and Meridian Grooming products. So when it comes to the Lumin set, you receive the complete set containing all of your favorite Lumin products. And you also receive the complete package by Meridian containing the trimmer and the ball spray. And the way to enter this giveaway is very easy. All you have to do is to follow me on Instagram, as well as to follow Lumin and Meridian Grooming on Instagram. And once you've done that, go to the comment section and put your Instagram tag there. And this way, once the winners are selected, I'll send you a personalized DM on Instagram and we'll make sure you receive the bundle. Thank you so much for the support and best of luck to everyone. So coming back to the Lumin products, if you are someone that's new to the skincare game and you want to take care of your skin, I would definitely recommend the Lumin free trial set, because this way you can get your hands on the products and see whether Lumin is a good fit for you. Because skincare can be quite scary for most of us that are initially starting, but when it comes to the Lumin free trial set, it is very easy to follow all of the steps, and when it comes to most of us, we start to see results within weeks. If you want to check the Lumin products out for yourself, as well as a link to the free trial set, I will have it in the description and pinned comment. And that's pretty much the end of this video. If you found it useful, please leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and if you'd like to see more skincare videos like this in the future, please consider hitting the subscribe button and help your brother out. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.